Let's start by looking at birthdays using ggplot. ggplot is a graphics package that allows us to make visualizations. We're using ggplot since it's easier than the base graphics that comes with R. It has some nice features such as the format of plots and legends that are automatically generated. The first thing we need to do is to download and install the ggplot library. Now that we've got ggplot loaded, let's use the qplot function to plot a histogram showing the number of users whose birthdays fall on any given day. I can run the namespf command to get an output of all my variables. Now I'm trying to create the date of birth by day histogram for all my users. So I'm going to use the date of birth day variable here. For the qplot function, I'll pass it two parameters, x and data. X is going to take the variable date of birth day, and data is going to take the variable pf, which is where all my data comes from the pseudo Facebook dataset. Running this command, I see my histogram come out in the plot window below. Now, you might notice that this plot is slightly different in color. If you're curious about setting color and themes in R, see the instructor notes. Getting back to our code in console, you can see that we get this warning message when we ran the code. This is fine for now, but you should think about what this warning message means. So here's our histogram so far, but I want to add one more layer to this plot. Let's fix the label on the x-axis so we can see every day of the month here. To adjust the x-axis, I'm going to add a plus sign right after my code and then hit return. This immediately takes me down the next line with a little bit of indentation right here. I'm going to add the layer scalex discrete and then give it the parameter breaks from 1 to 31. This is because I want all my days to be 1 to 31, the days of the month. And running this code, we can see we've done a little bit better. What are some things that you notice about this histogram?